Camcorder enabled captions
We're gonna fight
rendering.
You killed me, and what did I do to you?
Where are they?
He has a whip! Where did you get a whip? I got you lagging! I got you lagging!
Yo!
I got you lagging!
Computer oh, dang. I chose the wrong revolver.
I thought that was a real gun, bro. Never mind, truce. Oh,
Dang.
my hand! Oh! I hit something.
Hey, can I have it?
God.
Can I have it? Can I have it?
Nah, buddy died, buddy died.
Camcorder
So I
2
have to.
enabled.
Oh, God, the buff down. We should have known that a buff would get down.
What?
Buff army. We need to get into cargoes. We need to make a great escape. It's turning nighttime. I mean, that buff was disassembled with no legs.
My army is coming to your cameras, Buff Titan.
I'm alert you won't be able to find me.
Camcorder online.
Put him there.
There. Computer
What's happening?
Titan is near.
How do you grab it? How do you grab it?
Holy Jesus! Run!
I'm here.
Hide out. Holy Jesus. Holy Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Do you know what? You gotta fight back. This is what we call American history. May be getting dark. And an unknown substance could be starting. It's no match for me.
Dude, die!
Uh-oh.
I just wasted
Hey, stop it.
I wasted myself to die.
Log disassembled. That's cool. Oh. Oh yeah, this is
No, kill me, please.
we're gonna have to fight this monster back.
I don't know if that's like his fucking.
It's no use. No.